कैलेंडर लॉन्च का बॉलीवुड में चलन सा हो गया है and a lot of calendar launches are taking place in B-Town nowadays. The versatile and gorgeous Bollywood diva Chitrangada Singh was seen at this event. Chitrangada looked stunning in a black ensemble and was all geared up to launch the calendar. Chitrangada ने बातों-बातों में ये भी बताया कि उन्हें अवार्ड लेना बेहद पसंद है और अगर उन्हें अवार्ड से नवाजा जाए तो उनके कॉन्फिडेंस और एक्टिंग में और ज्यादा निखार आएगा.
An award it always feels great to get one. So the more acknowledgement, the better it is. So it's more happy people. So it's good.
Chitrangada, being an outsider in the industry, has now made a good name for herself. अपनी पहली फिल्म हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी लेकर देसी बॉयज तक, Chitrangada has come quite a long way in Bollywood, where people know her for her unconventional roles and critically acclaimed performances. जब उनसे फिल्मी दुनिया की चकाचौंध के बारे में पूछा गया, and what all are the nitty-gritties of our cinema, she said,
"There's so much that goes on in being on the screen that actually just giving that shot and just doing that one shot and your dialogue is the easiest thing to do. Everything around it, like you said, the whole fluff that comes with it is so much more difficult to handle. So I think that is probably what happened when I came. I did my first film out of total accident. That I got the first film and I did it. I did the second also. And then the entire exercise around it just felt so daunting. It was so kind of scary in a way that I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to move city. I didn't want to come set up a place here and go see this one.
These days, one news which is also doing the rounds is that the awards at the award ceremonies are rigged and fixed beforehand only. इस बारे में जब चित्रांगदा से उनकी प्रतिक्रिया पूछी गई, तो उनका कहना कुछ ये था.
Everyone has their own set of jury. Everybody has their own set of people who are they're assessing you or trying to say who's the best, and everybody has a different set of criteria probably a lot of times. So if you want, you can even question the credibility of the Oscars. I don't know. Obviously, everything gets affected, and there are human beings sitting there assessing you. But an award is an award, and I do think that Filmfare has been a pioneer. When it comes to acknowledging the potential or the talent that we have in the industry.
आप जो बोल रही हैं, वो आपकी real feelings है या फिर आप भी politically correct होने की कोशिश कर रही हैं? But कहीं ना कहीं एक बात तो साफ है कि चित्रांगदा wants to play safe as she is still eyeing for her first Best Actress award. For Abhishek Singh, Zoom, Mumbai.